Hi, in this lesson, we are going to discuss how to answer a common and important interview question. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? This question can be tricky, but with the right approach, you can give an answer that showcases your ambition and alignment with the company's goals. Interviewers ask this question to gauge your career aspirations and see if your goals align with the company's future. Here is how to answer it effectively. To prepare for this question, start by researching the company's vision, mission, and growth opportunities. This is because your answer should reflect a clear understanding of the company's direction and how your aspirations align with it. This shows that you are not just looking for any job, but are genuinely interested in growing with the company. For example, if you are applying for a marketing position at a tech startup and you have done your company research, you might say,
In 5 years, I see myself taking on more leadership responsibilities in the marketing department, contributing to innovative campaigns, and helping the company expand its market presence.
it's important to show ambition, but your goals should also be realistic and attainable. Mention high level milestones you aim to achieve and how they contribute to your professional growth and company success. For instance,
I plan to gain expertise in digital marketing, become a team lead, and eventually manage larger marketing projects. I believe this progression aligns well with the company's growth trajectory and my professional development.
demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning and professional development. Highlight any skills or experiences you aim to acquire and how they will benefit both you and the company. For example,
I want to continue developing my skills in data analytics and SEO to stay ahead in the ever evolving digital marketing landscape. I believe this will enable me to contribute more effectively to our marketing strategies and drive better results.
express your desire to add long term value to the company. Mention how you envision contributing to the company's success and how your growth within the company will be mutually beneficial. For instance,
As I grow within the company, I see myself mentoring junior team members and helping build a strong, innovative marketing team. My goal is to contribute to the company's long term success by driving impactful marketing initiatives.
as with any interview question, practice is key. Rehearse your response until you can deliver it smoothly and confidently. This will help you appear composed and thoughtful during the interview. By following these steps, you will show the interviewer that you are a forward thinking candidate with clear career goals and a strong alignment with the company's vision. Before we conclude this lesson, here are key points how to answer this question related to your future plans.